What's YouTube here? No, this is Virtue. Go picking up back to another video. Today, guys, welcome to Vlogmas 7. Sorry for the drop this morning. I was upset last night, so I went a bit early. So I dropped it early this morning. Sorry for that. But today I'm gonna be doing a cook with tuna. I'm gonna be warming up some macaroni. Crafting was left over from yesterday. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell so you can know if I don't miss a video and share this video. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, guys, so I have to take my mask off because that's getting irritating. So I got my tuna, and I'm making this video because some of y'all don't know how to cook. So you can wait the video. So first, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this. This is a can opener. What you do is it's like these two parts in the middle, these two things right there. You put them on this, and you click. Hold on. It's gonna take some time, so yeah. When I hit a click, I'll get back to you guys. Literally for 5 minutes. That's how I open it. I don't type that. Old school, guys. Always remember that. Ooh. At this moment, new is not what to do. So what I do is I drain the water from the tuna. It's like peeing. Oh my gosh. Well done. This one. Oh guys, because today we had exams and science was a disaster area for everybody. We just learned about, we had the cells and sponges and stuff, and the digestive system, sodium, gas, oil, all of stuff. And that was a disaster area. But we did math the other day, and I got my overgrade. We had 3 sections. We had composite, competition, and application. And in application, I get an A. So overall, I get a B. I got a B overall in math, which is not bad. Y'all are doing this before I go to church. I have church in 30 minutes. So, yeah. I know you're like, Sugar, you have church in 30 minutes and you sit now? Yes, I know, guys. I know. Makes no sense. I have church and I sit right here. Like, I ain't got nothing to do. But, when I have church, I be late, so everybody know I good for me. Ain't no difference. Y'all, I can be right back when it's open. As I fully open it with my fingers. And drop everything in. Looks so good. Freeze. Sorry for that. I do forget to pause the video, but yeah. Sour. I have to dig with some for my sister. What are we doing now? I got the salt. For this occasion, I don't have time for limes. I'm just gonna be using lime juice. My lime juice file. And I still have to go in the fridge. Oh boy, get mayonnaise. Some mayonnaise. We could use black pepper, but I don't have black pepper, so we can, right? This is the Bohemian way of making tuna. It tastes good. I put too much lime juice. Taste test. Guys, want to? Okay. Yeah. Here's the macaroni. Get a spoon. Where did I put the spoon in? Wait. Oh. Now. Warm it. I'll put it on 1 minute. Sorry. Sorry, that's what you might do. We already messaged Miss Penny. Trying to drink of the water. This is really wet. Hey yo, no homo. Be right back. Back. this. So now, put my tuna in. I can put my tuna wherever I want because I still mix my tuna up with the macaroni. So. Perfect. What? Yes, I am. I'm gonna say Christmas on Sunday. I go. I'll see you guys vlog Mr. 8.